All right. Satellite station. Here we come. Here we come. Here I come. Me and my dog, we going to take over the satellite station. This is going to be raider territory, right? Full of raiders and traps and bombs and nasty things. What would that even trigger? What would that trigger? Uh-huh. What would it trigger? Am I blind or can't I just see what the heck it would trigger even? No idea. No idea at all. Advanced terminal. The usual course of action. Clear first. Oh, bloody.
Found you, sorry ass.
You know what, dude? You have a dog here. I was close enough to do that. And with that said and done, I need booze. Nothing there now. What? I just shot you folks. What? Okay.
Hey.
Am I here now? I think I am here right now. Wow, that guy was scary. He just... What do you bet if I go around the corner, there is like a bathroom or something and it's fucking full of drugs, which would explain... It's a bathroom. Which would explain why this guy was so oblivious to the world, right? No, there's a plunger. Steam packs? Maybe he took all the drugs already. Yeah, that would also explain. But bloody heck. Okay. Let's go down this way? Maybe? Yeah, down this way. Downstairs.
Who?
Aha!
Motherfucker!
Oh, no need to swear at to me like that. Clean that mouth of yours. Oh my bloody heck. You're gonna eat a critical because of... That is a big freaking gun. Was it a minigun, I think? Yo, dude. Leg. Don't go charging at me with those kind of things, because that's not fun for anybody. Oh, eat a dog. Okay, go for center mass, go for center mass. Because center mass guarantees hits. Is that everybody? Is that everybody? There's a lot of them though. Damn. Think we have made enough noise that if somebody was here, would probably have come as well. Oh yeah. Damn! That was a lot of them. And stuff. Okay. Okay, doggy. Let's loot the place up. Road leathers. I'll take road leathers. Thanks. That is actually cloth, and I need cloth because I need to be able to make USA flags. Overdue bug. What do I do with overdue bug? Teddy bear. Nice. Oh, it's a teddy bear with a cigar and an army helmet. Oh, army helmet. Why? Why? Wow. How would I look with an army helmet on? Army helmet. Now, I don't think that looks as good. The helmet is just that too wide for the head, right? I mean, I don't think that looks as good. I don't. You let me know. I just don't think so. I think this captain thing looks absolutely brilliant with this outfit. Okay, at least so far. Obviously there are other things I could. Whoa. Okay, that looks badass, but I don't think I wanna use a gas mask, thanks. And also it stops me from wearing my shades, and I want my shades. So yeah. Anyway, I was interrupted from my looting. Shotgun shells, fantastic. Oil. I am needing oil for more turrets and stuff. Absolutely awesome. And I also need more booze. Voltec lunchbox, Dandy Boy apples. Those are like just for selling and nothing else. So if I start running out of space, I need to just start dropping that stuff. 308 rounds. Actually, I think I have more rounds for... Yeah, I have over 500 rounds now for the rifle. I have more rounds than for my shotgun. Yeah, well, that's nice as well. It's nice to have extra ammo. What's in here? Goddamn raiders are insane. It's like stuffed skeletons in barrels and stuff. It's like, really? This is what you guys spend your time doing? No wonder you are all high on drugs or some such. 'Cause this is like what you spend your time doing. Crazies. Okay, lots of possible loot here. Oh yeah. Terminal. Well, let's check out the terminal. It's a satellite station with, well, satellite dish offline. Everything seems to be offline, yeah, because somebody shut down, well, very likely shut down all the damn satellites during the war. So, oh well. A broom. More wood. More antiseptic from the Abraxo cleaner. That is always good. We can make more stim packs. Shot glass. Flip lighter. Adjustable wrench. Awesome stuff. A fusion core. I should probably check up the upstairs as well, but I didn't think there was a door still down there, which I did not look, so I should... I'll come up back and up here and... Oh, somebody has been paranoid. This is probably the guy's drugs. Yeah, buff out and psycho and stuff. The dude I shot in the hallway. Yeah, that's probably his drugs. There was another... Oh, yes. Steel and oil, thank you. But there was a one more door back here. Aha! Equip that shotgun. Oh! Oh! Yeah, that was the locket, huh? Can I have a look at that locket? Was it worth coming here? Locket! Inspect? What? Let me inspect that, please. Okay, it doesn't want to. For some odd reason. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
It's full of creatures and there is oil on the floor. You know what we do with that? We let the oil take care of the business. There's a whole lot of you things here. I am missing so many shots for some reason. Okay, well... Bunch of creatures. Oil lamp burned out. Did I cause that by, you know, burning the oil? Maybe, I don't know.
Sweet.
Rad-X. Oh, I got my 10mm ammo back. I actually have a lot of 10mm ammo. Which is why I'm kind of willing to waste it here on these little creatures. Nasty little roaches and whatever these are. Die, thank you. Intel room key. Intel room key. Intel room? No idea. Oh, another army helmet. It really wants me to wear one of those, doesn't it? I see radioactive barrels. Let's stay away from those. Okay, Intel room key. Shotgun. Shotgun out. We are indoors here. Shotgun out. Intel room key. Intel room. Oh! A bucket. And I'm obviously overweight. Hey, dog! Trade you some random crap. Like a minigun. You can carry around my minigun. You probably like a minigun. Mounted on your back, maybe. Okay, so what else was here? This I cannot open. I don't want somebody's leg bones. Right away. Oh, nice. Purified water. That is good. And a metal bucket. Oh, this is the Intel room. Okay. Let's see what all creepy crawlies come out of. You have a nuke here. Okay, I will take your nuke. What is that?
Yes.
Permanently more difficult to detect while sneaking. Alright. Well, now I'm permanently more difficult to detect while sneaking. I guess that's good, right? Scissors and things. Ammo. A lot of ammo. Pipe weapons. Very nice. Nuka-Cola. And other things. Man, this place was a treasure trove. A very nice place. Pipe rifle. Let's load up the place and open up the
Sweet.
safe. Another 10mm pistol. I will have that. I will absolutely hand those over to my settlers. Because they seem to like 10mm and shotguns. Okay, anyway. I mean, I'd rather give my settlers 10mm pistols than the pipe pistols they usually come equipped with, so far at least. So I'll hand them double-barrel shotguns and 10mm pistols instead. So they can maybe protect the little farms I set up for them. Because that seems like a good idea, right? It would be fantastic to have them be able to protect themselves, so I don't have to do that for them. I am kind of busy wandering the wasteland for some odd reason. I believe I was looking for my son, but I have been running around doing like everything else but that. I need to get back on track with the whole son thing. Somebody stole my son from a cryogenic vault. Freezer. Whatever. Whatever. Let's go Sanctuary Hills, deposit this stuff. Then let's go turn in this locker. Then we are gonna go and do something completely else. Might go talk to the paladin guy. He wanted me back there at the police station. Maybe they can help me track my son down, right? Maybe. They seemed like the decent sort of people. A little bit on the like, you know, shoot first thing, but not necessarily anything wrong with that, especially if you are shooting all these mutated things which keep popping up from nowhere. Nobody has populated this place, thank God. That would have been annoying. Alright, I haven't taken a drink for a bit. What was that? Oh my God. Of course it's these things. God damn it. Why would it be anything else, huh? Why would it be anything else but these goddamn things? I think I missed a shot, even. Thank God for a shotgun. Nasty creatures. They just come out of the ground like... moles. Well, they are mole rats, so I guess that makes sense. Maybe. Kind of. But it's still scary. Gosh. F those things. Creepy crawlies coming out of everywhere. It's like you have the six-legged things coming out of the ground, like from underneath everywhere. You have the mutated human things, if they are humans, ghouls, whatever, climbing over barrels and from cars and whatnot. And then I had that green crawly thing, Mirelurk, I think it was called, come from under a truck. It's like, seriously, these things are like everywhere. What the heck? Next thing I have some kind of a, you know, giant turtle coming out of a house. Please don't. Gosh. No, thank you. Please don't. Oh my word. Okay, let's scrap some things, because heck, why not? Can I scrap drug collars as well? I can, but it doesn't give me anything. Okay. I will save the army helmets for now, actually. Just in case I happen to want to wear one. Alright? So, army helmets. Just in case I decide that it looks better than this sea hat. So, I will hold on to it. Oh, my dog had the minigun and stuff, so there is that. Also, deposit all the junk. Where'd my dog go? Dog? There we go. Give me my minigun. Pipe pistols and stuff. Alright. Cool. Fantastic. I had some more guns to break into pieces then, like knuckles and a tire iron. That's extra steel. Extra steel is fantastic. I need a lot of steel to make these settlements work. So let's also deposit the guns here. So I can... not the minigun. I don't think I want to hand a minigun over to one of my settlers, because that sounds like a really bad idea. Also, there was purified water here and gorge mud fruits. Because purified water I will gladly carry with me and actually, you know, do things with. That sounded wrong, but what I mean by doing things with is to actually, you know, drink it. Let's turn the dirty water into a purified water. Because I don't want to drink dirty water. Especially if I have purified water around to actually drink. Glowing fungus, hub flower, and I had also Nuka-Colas to put in here. There we go. Now, it is time to go talk to... It was Abernathy? Something like that. Mr. Farmer Man. Who had... whose locket we just got. And then I think we will walk all the way over to the police station. Talk to the paladin, talk to the other two people that were still alive from the patrol. The paladin's patrol thing. Can I get up here? Yes, I can. Oh, yes, I can. So last time there were those things buzzing around. Now I'm gonna double check that there are no things buzzing around, because those things are horrible. Okay, nope. Does not seem to be anything here. Fantastic. Okay. I am coming over there, Mr. He's probably asleep though, so I might have to wake him up in the middle of the night to have a chat. The cat is awake. Maybe it has mice or rats to hunt. Okay, where is he sleeping? Aha!
I've got that locket back for you.
You serious? That's great news. Connie's gonna be speechless.
I'm sure she'll go lean on her prices after what you've done. And feel free to use our workshop. Least we can do.
Wow, did you see the speed he woke up when I told him good news? Damn, dude! Must have been waiting for those news for ages. I do not think though I want to use your workshop quite yet. Because I have a feeling if I do that, this place is missing defenses, isn't it? I don't think there is a single turret or up there or anything, and there is a freaking cat died in front of me to stop me from getting upstairs. Nope, no turrets or anything here which would defend this place. So, game mechanic wise, if I activate that thing, I need to come here with stuff to actually build defenses right away. Because this is a whole lot of food you guys have here. And there was some more back there. Damn. Okay. Let's not activate this element yet. Because that sounds like a very bad idea at the moment. I don't have the materials to really like start building the place up. Mostly I don't have the materials to start building defenses for the place. Okay, let's try to avoid those because my dog is somehow, you know, completely opposed to radiated stags. Saying that though, I don't think I like them very much either. It's like, why would I really be that happy with irradiated stags myself? Just me, you know, saying things. What are you on about? Dog? Doggy! I actually haven't given the dog a name, it's still a dog. Oh well. Eventually I will give it a name. This was that weirdo crazy cabin thing. I guess we can kind of safely ignore the cabin. We just destroyed all the... Destroyed! Like, slayed. Whatever. What do you do to a irradiated human when you kill it? I guess you kill it. Maybe. Seems reasonable. I'm a little afraid there's going to be something nasty here. This wasn't the way to the... This wasn't the way to the police station. Police station is over there. Where the heck am I going? Alright, I was wrong way. My bad. Oh, right, there is this thing here. There is this thing right here, huh? Which we have looted up. Is this a shortcut? Do I just go cross country here and make my way there? Maybe. Oh, bloody heck, who are those guys? Gunners. Gunners. Is someone present? What? That was mechanical something. Ow! It's a synth. What are synths doing here? Why am I being shot at like crazy? What is happening? First things first, let's eat a dog. And second things first, let's get some vodka in our system. Dude, stop that! I'm going to shoot you in the head now. There are synths here. What is happening here? Inevitable. You are inevitably dead. Oh, there is a turret back there. Okay, that explains why I'm being shot at like crazy. Wow. Exploding cars. Run away. Wow. And Terminator Man didn't even flinch when the cars blew up. Wow. Okay. That was scary for a bit, right? Wow, scary freaking Terminator Man. Damn, that was horrible. Let's eat a dog. Eat something else as well. No. Wow. Scary creatures and things and freaking... What the heck is a gunner? It's a dude who carries a gun. Is that a gunner? They really... They had some stuff on them, huh? This is the guy whose head I shot off. Oh, he had sunglasses. Okay, that's nifty. Okay, now, turret. Oh, you burn sniper rifle. Okay, yeah, right. Glad I threw that Molotov in here. Huh? 10mm rounds. Alright. Let's go this way. Because that looks like a settlement. Or then it looks like the home of these gunners, whatever. Either way, I don't want them preying on my settlers. On my settlement. That really looked like a dude. It's like from this angle, it really looked like a dude. Like with a leg and a, you know... Wow. I'm getting really para. You know what? That is a fucking turret. Okay. Yeah. It looked like a turret and it was a turret. Can I load it? Is that its parts on the ground? Yes. Thank you. Food lockers. Dirty black suit. I don't think I want dirty black suit. Nah, I'll take it. I will take it for now. Maybe it sells well. This road kind of ends there. Where does it go the other way? Does it also end there, like, right away? Maybe? I don't wanna fall, so I have to be a little bit careful here. Yep, it ends here. That's kind of nice, I guess. So... I see light there. And that is definitely a dude. Yep, that is not my imagination. That is a dude. I missed. What? Okay, there's multiple dudes. Did I saw a turret as well? Yeah. Stop shooting at my dog. Okay, thank you. What the? Hands off my dog! Or lasers off, or whatever those were. Can you please stop that? That is creepy. Thanks. Sorry about the headshot, it was the only part of you which was showing. From behind the car. Don't usually try to be that brutal. Where was the other corpse? Down here? Another sniper rifle. Wow. Let's reload as well while we are at it. Kind of glad I gamed this way. Military cap. Dirty army fatigues. I should probably put on dirty army fatigues and then the army helmet. That would probably look nice. What is down here? Who? What is that? Do I want to even know what that is? Does it like shotgun to the face? Let's go find out. That looks very scary, but we are going to go and find out. How do I get up there? That looks kind of like like some kind of a black bear, maybe. With a little bit of radiation or something thrown in. Where did it go? Yo, creature! Do you... You don't like shotguns, do you? Not very much, at least. Damn! You're ugly, gosh, you're scary. But I hunted you. Don't go in there, I don't want a mutated dog. Thanks, come away from there, boy. Wow, those are scary. A baseball bat. And a baseball cap. Some baseball fanatic has been living here. I guess that's okay. Baseball fanatics are kind of fine. Oh my... You know what? Critical head. Critical headed. Gosh. Scary creatures. Reload, please. Wow. Okay, that was a little bit more brutal than I thought it would be. But kind of had to go for it because wow. Kind of caught me off guard. Very surprised there. Damn. A fishing rod. Okay. Yeah. Cram. I still wanna meet the person who makes all this cram. Maybe. Possibly. Uh-huh. Why is this? There are radiation barrels there. You know what I see? I see one of those creepy crawlies. You know what I think? I think have a Molotov. What the? I think it was trapped. I think somebody had put in mines and stuff there then. Okay, let's not go anywhere near there. There could be more mines. I'm going to avoid this place too. I'm gonna go to the police station. I know now where I actually am. Because the road down to the police station is like right here. That is nice. Because I've seen this burning car place before. That is nifty. Those freaking mutated bears are scary business. And you ran into the radiation barrel. Stay away from me for a bit. Yeah, keep a little bit of distance because I don't want a mutated dog. Or I don't want to mutate myself. Thank you. Oh man. Crazy, scary stuff. This wasteland is scary place. Is there more ammo here? Nope. No more ammo. Let's talk to the... Was it Paladin? Yes, Paladin. It sounds like a middle-aged, some kind of a festival thing. Although, I mean, he was dressed in shining armor of sorts. So, I guess he can get away with being called Paladin. What the... Oh my... Somebody... What? What the heck was that? Somebody blew up like... It was big green men and one of them exploded. What did you do to them? Did you, like... Nuclear material. Suicider. Do these things carry atom bombs now? Okay, I don't... Super mutants orders? What? Did they kill all these things and people? What was that order thing? Super mutants. Is it in notes? Yes. Okay. I guess those are simple enough, but return where? Do I wanna know where they would be returning to? How much weight am I carrying on me? 222, okay. Can I take your stuff? You can have... Oh, ammo. Okay. And drugs. Of course you have drugs. Everybody in this wasteland has drugs. Just makes no sense to me, but everybody does. I have no idea. It's like, what the heck was happening? It's like green men come and explode. It has to be a new kind of idiocy. Like, did it carry a atom bomb or something on it? No idea. This was the alleyway we came with the paladin. Somebody is having a war here. I am not invited. I am not interested in joining. I think actually this looks like a good place to have a little bit of a rest. I'll see you next time for more Wasteland suiciding, maybe. I don't know. That was a little bit weird and scary.